12th Science, Subject Mathematics and Statistics, Part 2nd, Chapter number 2nd, Applications of Derivatives. Dear students, we are going to study examples on approximations. Examples. Example number 25. Find the approximate value of f of x equal to x cube plus 5x square minus 2x plus 3 at x equal to 1.98. Solution. Here we have to given function f of x, that is x cube plus 5x square minus 2x plus 3, denoted by equation first. Differentiate with respect to x, then f dash of x equal. Derivative of x cube is 3x square plus 5 constant take outside, derivative of x square is 2x, 2x into 5 is 10x. Minus 2 take outside, derivative of x is 1, hence minus 2, plus 3 is a single constant term, hence its derivative is 0. Therefore, f dash of x equal to 3x square plus 10x minus 2, denoted by equation second. The number 1.98 is write as 2 minus 0.02. Therefore, let a equal to 2 and h equal to minus 0.02. For x equal to a equal to 2, from equation 1 we get f of a equal to f of 2. Put x equal to 2, then we get 2 cube plus 5 into 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 3. Simplifying, we get 27, denoted by equation 3. For x equal to a equal to 2, from equation second, f dash of a, that is f dash of 2. Put the value of x is 2, then we get 3 into 2 square plus 10 into 2 minus 2. Simplifying, we get 30. Hence f dash of a is 30, denoted by equation 4. By the approximation formula, f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. F of 2 plus in bracket minus 0.02, it is a2 and h is minus 0.02, is equal to, put the value of a and h, f of 2 plus in bracket minus 0.02 into f dash of 2. Here is addition of these two numbers is f of 1.98 is equal to, value of f of 2 is 27, plus minus, it is minus 0.02, and value of f dash of 2 is 30. Then 27, here is multiplication is minus 0.6, take subtraction, we get 26.4. Hence the approximate value of f of 1.98 is equal to 26.4. Example number 26. Find the approximate values of f of x equal to x cube minus 3x plus 5 at x equal to 1.99. Solution. F of x equal to x cube minus 3x plus 5. Then its derivative f dash of x equal to d by dx of x cube minus 3x plus 5. The derivative of first term, that is x cube, is 3x square. Minus 3 is a constant multiple. Take outside, derivative of x is 1. Plus 5 is a single constant term, hence its derivative is 0. Therefore, we get 3x square minus 3. The number 1.99 is written as 2 minus 0.01. Take a equal to 2 and h equal to minus 0.01. Then f of a equal to f of 2. Value at the point. Here is f of x. Put x equal to 2 in this equation. Then 2 cube minus 3 into 2 plus 5. 2 cube is 8 minus 3 into 2 6 plus 5. Simplifying, we get 7. Then f dash of a equal to f dash of 2. Value of f dash of x is 3x square minus 3. Put x equal to 2. Then 3 into 2 square minus 3. 2 square is 4. 4 into 3 is 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. The formula for approximation is f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Therefore, f of 1.99 is equal to f of 2 minus 0.01. Putting the values in this formula, f of 2 minus 0.01 into f dash of 2. Value of f of 2 is equal to 7 minus 0.01. Value of f dash of 2 is 9. Therefore, 7 minus 0.01 into 9. Here is multiplication is 0.09. Take the subtraction, we get 6.91. Hence, the approximation value of the function at a point 1.99, that is f of 1.99, is equal to 6.91. Example number 27. Find the approximate value of f of x is equal to x cube plus 5x square minus 7x plus 10 at x equal to 1.12. Solution. F of x equal to x cube plus 5x square minus 7x plus 10. Then its derivative f dash of x is d by dx of x cube plus 5x square minus 7x plus 10. Then derivative of first term x cube, its derivative is 3x square plus 5 take outside, derivative of x square is 2x minus 7 take outside, derivative of x is 1. 10 is a single constant term and hence its derivative is 0. Then we get 3x square plus 10x minus 7. The number 1.12 is right as 1 plus 0.12. Take a equal to 1, h equal to 0.12. The value of the function at a point is f of a equal to f of 1. Here is f of x. Put x equal to 1, we get 1 cube plus 5 into 1 square minus 7 into 1 plus 10. 1 cube is 1, 1 square is 1, 1 into 5 is 5, minus 7 into 1 is 7 plus 10. Simplifying, we get 9. Then f dash of a is equal to f dash of 1. Point is 1. We know that the f dash of x is 3x square plus 10x minus 7. Put x equal to 1, we get 3 into 1 square plus 10 into 1 minus 7. 1 square is 1, 1 into 3 is 3. 10 into 1 is 10 minus 7. Simplifying, we get 6. The formula for approximation is f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Therefore, f of 1.12 equal to f of 1 plus 0.12. Put the values in the approximation formula, we get f of 1 plus 0.12 into f dash of 1. Value of f of 1 is 9. Value of f dash of 1 is 6. Putting this value, we get 9 plus 0.12 into 6. 9 plus. This multiplication is 0.72. Adding these two terms, we get 9.72. Hence, the approximate value of the function at a point 1.12 is equal to 9.72. Thank you.